Hey there, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how to draw a meteor. So today you can see that I'm using my brown color pen to draw the meteor. So here you have to draw a circle but not appropriate circle. Just a zigzag circle. And divide the circle like this. Let's color the lower portion with brown. Okay, now I'm using my orange color pen to draw the fire. Do it carefully. Okay. Now divide the orange portion like this and let's do the coloring. Let's do it faster. Okay, now I'm using yellow. Nice! Now it's time to use red. Okay, now I'm drawing some lines and this is looking like fireworks. I'm using a bit of cyan. And finally, I'm using a pale orange color to color inside the meteor. And my drawing is done. And this is how you can draw a meteor within few minutes. Thank you so much for watching.